Okay, this is the Wilberforce pendulum. This shows the transfer between vertical kinetic energy and torque. Basically, when you pull down on the pendulum and it goes up, naturally the pendulum wants to spin in the counterclockwise direction, and it will for just a tiny bit. And then when it starts moving downward, it will continue spinning in the counterclockwise direction because that is the way that nature intends. However, it is going downward, so it should be spinning in the clockwise direction. And so when it reaches the minimum point of its oscillation, it will stop spinning radially and will start spinning in the other direction. However, since the spring is not in equilibrium, it will begin going back up, and the cycle starts all over. It will go up, and it will spin clockwise, and then that will eventually stop the spring at its maximum oscillation, and the spring will go into its normal counterclockwise spin, except the momentum of the spring will carry it downwards. So just bring it down and release it up, and it will just start spinning on its own.